Homosexuality is a sin. Gay marriage should not be legal. Two people of the same gender should not be together. This is what society has been telling people for years now. People believe that civil marriage should not be open to homosexual couples because they think that homosexuality in itself is wrong. According to an American-based research company, the approval rate of gay marriage in the United States rose from 27% in 1996 to 60% in 2015. More and more people are starting to accept the benefits of gay marriage, but there is still a large number of individuals who believe that homosexuality is a sin because of tradition and religion. Marriage has been defined as a union between man and woman. The purpose of marriage is procreation. Children need both a mother and a father figure. These are the usual reasons why people are against opening civil marriage to homosexual couples. I believe that gay marriage should be legalized because the concept that marriage is between man and woman has been historically inaccurate. Homosexual couples should have the same rights from marriage as heterosexual couples. And gay couples, they make good parents. Marriage was defined as a union between both man and woman, but the definition of marriage has always changed. According to an article entitled How Marriage Changed Over Centuries, same-sex union, particularly male bonding ceremonies, were common in Mediterranean churches. Through history, marriage has changed and has lifted restrictions such as the prohibition of marriage on the basis of race. Interracial couples were not allowed to marry until the 1950s, according to a research conducted by Robinson in 2014. Marriage, being a union between man and woman, has been a historical misconception, and it does not mean that homosexual couples should not be allowed to marry. Homosexual couples should not be deprived of the same rights of marriage that heterosexual couples have. Imagine a gay couple where one of them experiences an accident. Their partner wouldn't be able to enter the emergency room because it is for family only. Imagine a scenario wherein he or she actually dies, and their partner wouldn't be able to close their bank accounts, include their name in the death certificate, or arrange the funeral, and many more, because they don't have the legal rights to do so. According to Evan Wolfson, married couples have access to protections if the relationship ends, such as child custody, spousal or child support, and an equitable division of property. Homosexual couples should have rights from marriage. It has been a misconception that a child needs both a mother and a father in order to be raised right. A June 2014 study in the University of Melbourne has shown that children raised by same-sex parents are healthier and have better family cohesion. Children raised by same-sex parents are more socially and academically competent, according to a study by Gartrell and Boss in 2010. Gay parents are as competent as heterosexual parents, and a child doesn't necessarily require parents from both genders in order to be competent in various aspects. As a former Washington Post columnist has stated, we should be begging gay couples to adopt children. We should see this as a great boon that gay marriage could bring to kids who need nothing more than two loving parents. I know someone who always screams, "Love wins," when she sees a homosexual couple in public, and I too believe that love wins. Marriage is not a union between man and woman, but rather a union between two individuals who love each other. Rights aren't only granted to straight people because they are granted to everyone. Children don't need a man and a woman to be their parent. They need two loving individuals. There are countless more reasons why civil marriage should be open to homosexual couples. But I would like to leave you all with this. We shouldn't hide love even if it's homosexual love, and that we should stop discrimination. As John Lennon has said, we live in a world where we have to hide to make love. while violence is practiced in broad daylight. I'm Alexei Torres, and this is why civil marriage should be open to homosexual couples.